Hello everyone, welcome to the Xorosoft onboarding tutorial. In this guide, we're going to walk through how to set up your onboarding tasks and assign watchers to them if necessary, and go through how to comment on the tasks and communicate with your onboarding specialist. So currently you're probably seeing a screen that's similar to this. You probably have your onboarding video that you're watching in the middle here. And so before you go any further, probably what you want to do is see what users you already have in the system and add any additional users. So let's go over to the user center. By the way, I got here by just going to the search menu here and just punching in user center. You can take a look what users you have in the system. So whoever is going to help you out with the onboarding, you can create users for them so that you can assign onboarding tasks to them. If you need to add any additional users, just click on user over here and just fill in the following information. Just hit save on the top right, and that'll create a new user in the system. And then this user you can actually assign to a task. Make sure you give a valid email here, because that's how the new user is created. They're going to get an email in their inbox giving them instructions on how to log in with a temporary password, and then head over to the onboarding center. So now that you have your users in the system, let's go over to the onboarding wizard. And you can always go back and forth, by the way. So even if I hit next, I can always just scroll down and just hit previous and then see the video again. So let's go to the tickets. So these are all the tasks for your onboarding process. So what you can actually do is for each onboarding task, you can assign a watcher, and then you can actually enable email notifications for that watcher. So that means if there's any activity on the task, if somebody made a comment or attached a file or anything like that, they're going to get an email notification. So this is a good way to stay in the loop of what's going on with onboarding. So I can apply these watchers in batch as well. So I can go apply watchers to all tasks, and then I can enable email notifications for all the tasks. So maybe what you would want to do is for something like chart of accounts, you'd probably want to assign your accounting team, or for your operations people, maybe you want to assign SKUs or something like that. So once you've assigned watchers for all your tickets, just scroll down, click next, and just have a look and review all your onboarding tasks if they're assigned to the correct watchers, whether they have email notifications or not. And once that's all done, just go generate onboarding tasks. And this will generate all the onboarding tasks in your onboarding center. And so what you can do is, these are basically tickets, so you can actually open them, and you can actually make comments on them, and you can assign yourself to be a watcher of a task. So if you want to get in the loop of what's going on with uploading customers, you can open that ticket, just add yourself as a watcher. This is the first ticket you probably want to open, the welcome package. So once the tasks are generated, just open this one and have a read through this, and make sure everything's clear. And the tasks are mostly divided into 3 sections. So there's data uploads, there's some onboarding setup that's required, and the trainings as well. So just have a read through this, and once the tasks are generated, you can continue on with your onboarding.